In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix cannot get mail the connection to the server failed. First thing you want to do is launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option general. Then scroll all the way down, navigate to the option VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with your mail connection. After that, head back to main page of settings, scroll all the way down, click on apps. From the list of apps, find mail and launch it. Now click on the option mail accounts. Choose the email account that's giving you trouble. Then tap account settings and open SMTP. From here, select the SMTP server and try toggling it off. Wait about 10 seconds and turn back it on to reset the connection. If this solution also didn't work out for you, head back. Now click on delete account and confirm the deletion. Then return to mail accounts and tap add account. Choose your email provider from the list and carefully sign back in to re-add your account. Once everything is set up again, open the mail app and check if your emails are syncing properly. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.